Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I wanted to share with you a recipe for pumpkin earthquake cake. And for this recipe you will need a half a cup of pecan pieces, one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, one box of a white cake mix, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of butterscotch chips, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and a half a cup of butter. You will need a 9 by 13 inch pan for this recipe, and go ahead and grease that and put it on the side. Now melt your butter in the microwave or on the stove, and then you're just going to put that on the side till we get to this next step. Take your cream cheese and you're going to go, and you want to make sure that that is at room temperature, and put that in your bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla to the bowl with the cream cheese. And now add the melted butter over that. Measure out 2 cups of powdered sugar and level it off before you pour it into the bowl.
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. The pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me.
Before I put this into the mixer, I want it to stir it up just a little bit so that way the powdered sugar doesn't fly everywhere. And just mix it until the powdered sugar and the cream cheese are mixed together really well. You should have a smooth consistency with the cream cheese and the powdered sugar after mixing. Now add 1 cup of the butterscotch chips and just mix it in really well. Stir in the half a cup of pecan pieces and just stir it until it's completely coated. In a separate bowl, add your white cake mix, but do not add any of the ingredients that the cake mix calls for. You will not need that. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and you do want to mix that in with the cake mix, which I did. I just didn't show it quite right there. Then add your 15-ounce pumpkin pie puree. Now mix everything together, and you will not use a mixer for this. Just do this by hand. And just mix it until you get the consistency of a thick batter. Now add the pumpkin mixture to your 9 by 13 inch greased pan. And then take the cream cheese mixture that you have and just take a spoon and just start adding spoonfuls in different little areas on the cake and just spread it out. It's going to all be covered, but you want to kind of have little mounds of it. Now I took a knife and I just went ahead and swirled it through the cake and the cream cheese mixture, and I just did that a few times back and forth. And then I wanted to make sure every bit of that cake was covered with the cream cheese, so just kind of make sure you go back and cover all of the cake. Preheat your oven to 350 and you're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. And I love the edges on this cake. It gives the crispiness of it. It kind of has a toffee sort of texture to it, and it's a chewy, gooey, great treat for the fall. It's a favorite in my family for this time of year, and I hope that it would be a favorite in yours. Very easy to make. If you like this video, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel, and if you would like to see more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. I thank you all for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks again.